This will be a 2022 take of the elevator in the art section of the Fox Fine Arts here at UTEP. This elevator has not changed in decades. Look at that. It looks exactly the same from back when I was a student here in 2012.
Floor number 4. Going down.
Still has that same memorable voice I used to hear when I was a student. Get off at 4.
Basement.
And there is no one in this building, which is a good thing because I can film all I want now without people interrupting. Same Adams fixtures and everything.
Floor number 4.